let's take a look at problem of the day. Why not? Here we go. Choose a number, divide it by 12, and add 40 to the quotient. The result will be -10. What is the number? If we do this thing step by step, it says choose a number, so we're going to do that. Divide it by 12 and add 40 to the quotient. Now, folks, the quotient is the result when we divide, all right? And then the result will be -10, all right? So let's go and divide this thing up, and no pun intended, let's see what's going to happen on here, all right? It says first we're going to choose a number. That's the first thing. So I'm going to use my little letter n. It's kind of nice to go with there. So we're going to let n equal my number, your number, our number, everybody's number there, all right? And let's see, we are going to do what with that? We're going to divide it by 12. All right, so how do we write division? We do n, that number, and we divide by 12. That is fraction. Looks like a fraction, exactly, yes. That's what a fraction is. It's n divided by 12. Or whatever number divided by whatever number you've got with your numerator and your denominator. Now, we're going to take this quotient, that's what that is. If we knew what n was, we'd be having a nice round number, but that's what we're looking for. We're going to add 40. We're going to add 40 right there, and then we get a result. That result of -10. All right. Now, remember, you can have positive and negative numbers in these type situations, and it looks like we've got a good shot at having that for this answer coming up. Just hang on and let's check out, see what's going to happen. Now, I want to get n by itself. There it is. A lot of things keep me. There's a 12, there's a 40. First of all, I need to remove the 40. Now, remember, we're going to unwind this problem. We're basically going to work it backwards. We're going to work it backwards. So, since I added 40 to work backwards, I'm going to do the opposite of that. So, we're going to subtract 40, and if we do it to the left, yes, folks, the addition property, and in this case, the subtraction property of equality says do it also to the right. So whatever you do to the left, you got to do the same thing to the right. So let's see what's going to happen. These 40s on the left say goodbye. This 40 becomes, ooh, and it's -40 actually, and -10 come together. Signs are the same, so we're going to have a -50, it looks like there, all right? Now, what's left on the left-hand side? I see n over 12. Now, n over 12 means n divided by 12. So if we have divided going forward to go backwards, we need to multiply by 12. You say, well, where are you going to multiply by 12, Ernie? We're going to multiply both sides by 12. I'm going to multiply this by 12, and then this -50 that's hanging on over here, we're going to put a 1 under it, and we're going to multiply it also by 12 over 1. There we go. Bring that over there. So basically, we multiply, and by the way, it's 12 over 1 here also. Anytime we have a number that does not have a fraction, we can always make a over 1 moment, and it becomes rational looking to us. It is rational, any whole number is, because you can always divide by 1, all right? So it is a rational expression there. Now, what are we going to do? I got a little sidetracked. Yes, I know. Take the 12, say goodbye to them, all right, because they're going to cancel out in the good old division fashion there. So we got n by itself, which is what we wanted. Now over here I have -50 times 12. Not too bad a number to worry with. It's going to give us -600. Before I put a circle around and say this is good as gold, let's go back and check. See what we've got here. We have a equation that started off with n over 12 plus your 40 to equal -10. We're going to replace that n with -600. So we're going to put -600, divide it by 12, add 40, and we're going to hopefully get -10. Will that check out? That's the big question. Well, this little guy right here becomes a nice, it actually works out very nice, it's 50. And it's a -50 because negative divided by a positive will get us there. So we got -50, we got plus 40, and we're hoping that that will equal -10. By my counts, it does. All right, we get -10 equal to -10. So, dear friends, that is the number we need to solve this problem. Start with -600, and then we work right along, divide it by 12, bingo, add 40, and we are going to end up at -10. Nice little trip there.